Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. Throughout the 10 years that I've been here on YouTube, I think the one thing that stayed consistent in my skincare routine and in my life in general is my love for Korean skincare. Because of its affordability, efficacy, and the fact that it just brings so much joy to your skincare routine over things that I feel like I could buy here like in the pharmacy, you know? Today's video is sponsored by Olive Young, who I just love. I just love Olive Young so much. My favorite place to shop for Korean skincare. I have been fortunate enough to go to Korea a fair few times now, and the first thing I do when I get into Korea, well, check into my hotel, then out to Olive Young straight away, and I spend hours in there. Every time I go into Olive Young, there is something new, something innovative, a new ingredient that I really want to try in amazing formulations at such an affordable price. But obviously, I don't live in Korea. I can't always get to Korea. So I mainly shop, of course, on the Olive Young app. The selection is still huge. It's so easy to check like ratings of products, browse bestsellers. New arrivals is my first place I go on the Olive Young app and website as well. And you can quickly filter results as well, depending if there's something you're after. It's where I found a lot of my ride or die staple skincare products, and also where I keep discovering new favorites that build on what already works for me. So today, I want to share some favorite skincare products that I found on Olive Young, and then the new favorite that's inspired me to kind of like expand my routine. So let's start with a moisturizer. One of my old favorites, which I literally just finished the other day, is the Sunboon Editor Alaska PDRN Ultra Moisturizing Barrier Cream. This is an amazing barrier cream if you do really want that instant kind of like soothing and fixing kind of cream. A new favorite, which you probably already know because I talk about this one non-stop, is the S.NATURE Aqua Squalane Moisturizing Cream. This is now my daily go-to weightless moisturizer. You get this really nice deep hydration and barrier support, but with like this almost like really fresh, non-sticky feel. It's like water. When it hits the skin, it's watery and refreshing. We have Squalane in here, 150,000 parts per million, which is a plant-derived squalane, which, as we know, kind of mimics the skin's own lipids to help lock in hydration without an oily feel, so you get that moisturization without the thickness and the greasy feelingness. 8 types of hyaluronic acid you have to have in a moisturizer nowadays. Multiple weights of hyaluronic acid for like surface hydration and a few deeper levels of hydration as well. A Quaxel, which kind of like helps the skin retain its own moisture, if that makes sense. It improves water retention and elasticity as well. It kind of like teaches your skin how to hydrate itself better, to put it very simply, to oversimplify. But that's now something that I look for in a lot of moisturizers. There's some amazing Quaxel serums as well. Glycerin, betaine, panthenol, allantoin, collagen, acetyl hexapeptide, arginine for soothing, barrier strength, all these amazing slow aging benefits and plumping. A really nice, lightweight, everyday moisturizer. You may be wondering why I have a unopened set here, because Olive Young has obviously sent it to me, but I bought this like over and over whilst I was in Olive Young. I opened one the day I got it, used it, loved it, then had to go back to Olive Young and get more. I've emptied this numerous times already. In fact, I think I'm just about to empty another one. Now I'm in my 30s, I have no choice but to believe in the power of eye creams. Now, one that I've just finished is the Numbuzz in number 9 NAD Retin A Volume Shot Eye Cream. There's ceramides in here that have kind of like this reflective property to it that light naturally bounces off, so it instantly brightens under your eyes. So with that in mind, as somebody who doesn't wear a lot of makeup, I wanted an eye cream that maybe had like a little bit more of a concealer property to it, if that makes sense. I think this brand is called Shay. They actually sent me some bits a while ago, but this is the Banana Conceal Eye Cream. And this is an eye cream and pigment all in kind of like one step for dark circles. And its main kind of claim to fame is that it doesn't crease. So in this, we have banana fruit extract, which has vitamin C and E, flavonoids for like antioxidant care, glycerol glucoside for hydration, low molecular weight collagen for that bounciness and elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. There's something called Epi Pulp, which I've never heard of before, which again is in there for its antioxidant properties and elasticity as well. Adenosine, panthenol to hydrate, and a load of like plumping humectants as well to keep it nice and hydrated underneath. And what I will say is I've used like tinted under eye creams before that I've been like, this just looks like chalky makeup, or it kind of like looks like a little bit orange on my skin for some reason. I was surprised at how watery this goes on, but then it somehow also dries to a very natural, not matte skin, but kind of very natural skin finish. It's not bright and dewy like the Numb Buzzin' one, which is literally reflective. This is just extremely natural. I actually used this on my cheeks as well one day, just kind of see if it gave me enough coverage. And it gave me like a really nice kind of more even skin tone. It didn't obviously cover redness or anything, but just kind of like made everything a bit more even looking. It's not something I'd recommend you just shove all over your face. For all those dark circles that you just want a bit of a more natural looking pick-me-up, this is really, really, really good. Probably my favorite skincare category is toner. One of my favorite toners of all time is the Purito Sol Wonder Relief Centella Toner. Unscented, of course. Just ultra reliable. It's calming. I know it's going to go on my skin and make it feel like really refreshed. Now, I haven't used this one yet, but this is I think it's called Heave Blue or Heavy Blue Salmon Caring Centella Toner, which kind of takes the idea of the Centella Toner, then adds more to it, if that makes sense. So we have Centella Asiatica extract in here, 830 parts per million. That's what I like about Olive Young as well, is they tell you exactly how much is in these products. Obviously for that like intensive soothing and calming. Madecassicide as well, which is going to calm. Then something called Portaluca Oralacea. Probably butchered that, which again is just there for additional anti-irritation support. PDRN we have in here as well. So again, barrier support, hydration, and then a patented ingredient called Effipulp to help boost the skin and kind of like give you a really more like plump, moisturized feel. And then hyaluronic acid and ceramides as well. So this really does have so much in it. They actually recommend using this in a few different ways, as do like most Korean toner brands. Obviously as like a normal toner, but also as like a toner pack where you put it on a cotton pad, put it on like a mask. Do you know what I also love about Olive Young is all the free samples you get with every product. This comes with a salmon caring centella cream. So yeah, this feels like a natural upgrade to the Purito toner, which I'm really looking forward to using. Korean skincare kind of like reinvigorated my love for wash off masks, right? I think for a long time I stepped away from clay masks because I was like, oh, they're all drying, they're all the same. But K-Beauty managed to kind of start adding things like actives to it. We have these amazing like 2-in-1 cleanser masks as well now. And an old favorite of mine, which I actually haven't used for a while, is the Be Plain Mung Bean Pore Clay Mask, which kind of acts like your average clay mask without really drying down your skin. One thing I'm moving on to is the Pea Calm Holy Basil Bubble Deep Mask. This is taking us back to the days of the bubbling clay masks, right? If you love what clay masks can do for your skin, like the kind of instant look of smaller looking pores, with the long-term benefits as well, but you want like a smoother, kind of like brighter finish. And remember what I said about kind of like K-Beauty taking these masks to the next level. So not only is this a bubble mask, but it also contains chemical exfoliants as well as physical, but is extremely gentle as well. So we have AHA and PHA in here, which is going to help to exfoliate dead skin and smooth out your texture. Something called Montmorillonite clay to obviously help absorb excess sebum. Holy basil leaf extract for that antibacterial, anti-inflammatory care, and oat extract as well to calm things down. It's just the most interesting combination of random ingredients that I've heard, but kind of all make sense together. I don't think I've ever used oat and AHA in one product. That makes sense, right? So yeah, I love this combination of what just seems like everything. Like they put everything into this, but it just kind of makes sense as well. You got your exfoliating, masking, and your calming. And yeah, it's fun. It's fun. Of course, we have to talk about sunscreen. One of my favorite sunscreens of all time is, of course, again, Purito Sol Wonder Relief Centella Daily Sun Lotion. Lightweight, soothing, doesn't sting my eyes. And I kind of want to find another sunscreen like it. So this is the 12 Grams Vegan Comforting Sun SPF 50 Plus PA4 Pluses. They say it feels silky, and I don't
don't think it does. I don't think it feels silky. It feels incredibly hydrating. Do you know what? The texture's almost like the S.NATURE moisturizer. It's kind of like, it goes on like a cream and then starts to feel watery on the skin. There's no white cast with this whatsoever. And there's some really interesting ingredients in here as well. There's Korean wild ginseng, I believe 30% in there, which is a great antioxidant, a good amount of antioxidant, which works great with sunscreens as well to fight that free radical damage, but it also helps brighten the skin and supports elasticity as well. Galactomyces ferment filtrate to like nourish and brighten the skin, another well-aging ingredient. Panthenol to soothe and hydrate. It's vegan. It performs really well on like that Huahei app as well. Like, it always gets really, really good reviews. It feels watery, and it's so easy to layer up and layer up and layer up without feeling heavy and uncomfortable. Doesn't sting the eyes, doesn't irritate my rosacea. A lot of reviews were saying that this is great under makeup as well. I can't vouch for that just yet. I haven't tried it with that, but it seems really, really good. I'll be honest though, you can't really go wrong with a Korean sunscreen. You can't. A chemical sunscreen especially, like they tend to all just be great. I got 2 little bonus products for you that I just wanted to talk about. This is the Botanity Macoil water gel cream. If you want really breathable, cooling hydration, which is really, really important for people with like oily, dehydrated, and easy sensitized skin, this one's so good. So good. So they have what they call their bi-gel technology, which kind of like stabilizes this oil between gel layers that melts so quickly on the skin and absorbs super quick into the skin, leaving you feeling like super moisturized and nourished, but in such a lightweight finish. There's vitamin capsules in here with idabenone and other vitamin derivatives for like antioxidant support and like nourishing. And then they have their Macoil complex, which is for like sebum care, pore management, congested skin, mung bean extract to soothe and balance the skin as well. So this is really for people like so many different skin types. It's kind of like combination skin, you're gonna love this. Irritated skin, you're gonna love it because it's got this cooling sensation to it without like being minty. Another really nice like daytime moisturizer. Again, just so watery and like lightweight and like, yeah, just really, really interesting, really, really nice. And then one thing I've been trying to do is cut down on like diet Coke and like Pepsi Max and stuff, and kind of like up my water intake. So I bought these, the Shine Muscat Kombucha Pokemon thingies. So this is like, I believe like a grape flavored kombucha, vitamin C, like little powder that you put in water, and literally anything with Pokemon on the front I'm buying. So get like these little pouches like this. It's called Shine Muscat flavor, which I think is like a grape, right? It's meant to give you like a little bit of an energy, like a little bit of a pick-me-up, make you feel less bloated, say you've like overeaten. It's got 19 types of probiotics in here as well. So I don't know. I think since like losing weight, I've been focusing on a big part of me kind of like with my gut health, which is something I've been really concentrating on over the past year. So as I mentioned, you could find all of these very easily on the Olive Young app. I will of course link down below. I just love like checking the bestsellers, going on like what's new, reading like the user ratings as I mentioned. I just sit there scrolling and making baskets and then checking out and sometimes not checking out. Yeah, and kind of like leads to these discoveries that feels like the next logical step from my other skincare, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're not canceling any products or like saying those are done now, they can go in the bin. They are products that I love. I'm just expanding the routine with formulas that feel like similar in spirit, you know, but like bring something new, like technology or new actives, which K-Beauty is always pushing, which is one of the main reasons why I love it. So tell me which new favorite you want like a deeper test on next, and I'll get to using that as priority. And if there's anything you discovered in Olive Young that you absolutely love, leave it in the comments down below so I can buy it too. All links will be put in the description box down below, and I'll see you next time.